Beautiful salad that you can make that is easy. Well, hello everyone. My name is Amithy, and I want to introduce you to my summer salad. I call this a summer salad because I usually make different salads, especially during the summer when I don't want to eat a lot of cooked food. And so this is one of my favorite ones to make, and I eat it throughout the year, and I make it throughout the year. In this salad, it's really simple. What I have in it is 2 cups of purple cabbage, 2 cups of regular cabbage, 1 cup of radish, 2 cups of kale, the leafy, really frilly kind, and sometimes I add more because I like kale. I have 2 cups of collard greens. I have 2 cups of carrots, and I cut them really fine. I have a little gadget that I could use, but I like cutting it with a knife, so these are really finely chopped. And in this salad, I have 1/4 cup of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I like using fresh lemons, but I don't have any lemons on my tree, so this is lemon juice that I bought at the store, and this is 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I add garlic powder and turmeric. You don't have to do that, but I put turmeric in everything as well. And then lately I've been using a lot of essential oils. So this is wild orange essential oil. That's also optional. You don't have to do that. And what I do is these are already chopped up. This is all the mixture that I've already mixed up. And then what I do is, in my mixing bowl, which is a pretty big one, I just put all the ingredients in it together. And it's already, see, look how nice and pretty that is. It's already nice and pretty and colorful. And then what I do is I just pour this ingredients that I make. And also there is salt. I use Mediterranean sea salt. And I just mix it around. Oops, sorry. And you know, sometimes when you put purple cabbage in something, it kind of leaks, the color kind of leaks out and makes everything else a little funny looking. I usually don't like to put purple cabbage in things that I make, and then it's gonna sit in the fridge for a while. But and one option is for you to go ahead and slice up the purple cabbage, and you probably can keep that to the side, or you can even add some of the dressing that on it and have it marinated in the fridge as well. And also at the end, when you're getting ready to serve it, then you can add back the purple cabbage. So let me tell you what I do then. I go ahead, and it's nice to have I don't know if all of this will hold in here, but it's nice to have a container where you can go ahead and put this in your container. And as you can see, it looks really good, and it tastes really good as well. One way that you can also eat this, especially if you have it in the fridge marinating, is to if you're one that likes things like hot dog and like to buy slaw to put on your hot dog, you can put this on your hot dog, and it tastes really good on your hot dog, and you don't have to buy the store-bought one. You can make your own. And then what you do is, and then you just cover it up, put it in the fridge. Now I'll push this to the side here so you can see. I have to reach over to grab this. What I do as well, at the very end, like if I'm going to serve it, what I do, I love these peppers. And they're these mini sweet peppers. And I would slice them up just as I did the regular vegetables in the salad. I would slice them up at the very end, and I would mix it all through as the serving. If I'm going to do a certain serving, I'll mix it through it. You don't want to put things into that salad that's going to start to break down before the rest. All of those that I put on there were hard leaf type vegetables. And so these peppers will start breaking down before you get to use them. I mean, before you get to eat it. And you wouldn't want to have that sitting in your fridge for 4 days, 4 or 5 days. So I put this last if I'm going to serve it. And then sometimes I like to add these banana peppers in there as well. You know, different flavors. One of another thing that I do, if I'm going to use that salad as a meal, then I either add brown rice to it, or you can add barley, you can add any other grains, your favorite grains. Add some type of, maybe some type of tofu, or another thing that I add beans. It could be garbanzo, I even, lentils on the side, stuff like that. And then sometimes, so when I'm going to eat just a regular salad, because I don't feel for a whole meal, then I add sunflower seeds, I add pumpkin seeds. These add the proteins to my salad. I add some walnuts, and I like sweet and savory, so I will add raisins, and it makes a delicious meal. And I highly recommend this salad. As I said, it's easy to make, and you can store it and just keep going to it. That's what I do. And I can't think of anything else that I do with it, but have fun making this salad, and maybe later on sometimes I'll write out the recipe, but for now it's called a summer salad, and it's just a delicious, beautiful salad that you can make that is easy to access, and then you don't have to rush home from work to make a salad. It's already there, and you just have to add your stuff to it. This is like the foundation to a lot of things, especially if you're into raw foods. So thank you for watching, and if you desire to make it, have fun with it.